In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your gaming videos in Capcut quickly and effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Capcut and start a new project. This will provide you with a blank canvas to bring your gaming footage to life. Once you're set up, the next step is to import your gaming clips. Simply navigate to your files, select the clips you want to use and import them into your project. This is your foundation. Make sure you have all the footage you need before moving on. Now that your clips are loaded in, it's time to trim the fat. Use the split tool to cut out any dull or repetitive parts. This helps maintain your audience's interest by keeping the pace quick and engaging. Remember, shorter clips tend to hold attention better, so don't be afraid to be selective. Once you've streamlined your raw footage, you can really start elevating your video with effects. Tap into the effects tool to inject some motion, glitch, or even a flash effect. These dynamic touches can add personality and excitement to your video, making each transition or key moment stand out. Experiment with different effects to see what resonates best with the mood and tone of your gaming footage. Another great way to enhance your video is by adding text. This can be used for commentary, capturing highlights, or emphasizing key moments in your gameplay. Text can provide clarity or add humor to your video, just ensure it's easy to read and doesn't clutter the screen. As you're piecing your clips together, don't forget about transitions. Utilizing options like zoom or fade between clips can create a smooth professional finish. Transitions help guide your viewers through the story you're telling, preventing jumps or awkward cuts from disrupting the experience. Next, let's talk about sound. Adding sound effects or music under audio can amplify the entire vibe of your video. Whether it's a subtle background track or dramatic sound effects to highlight action, the right audio can make your video feel complete. Make sure your sound levels are balanced so they complement rather than overpower your visual elements. Once you're satisfied with how everything is coming together, it's time to export your video. For the best quality, export your project in 1080p or 60fps. This ensures your hard work is showcased in crisp and smooth detail, making your gaming footage shine. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to editing gaming videos in Capcut. By following these steps, you'll be able to create engaging and professional content that highlights your gaming prowess. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.